So let's do the final CSS of our website. Yes, nothing is there. Sorry, actually I tried. See, we had done this. Make the font size 18 px. Okay, it's very important to make it 18 px, and then it will be nice and big. Okay. Now we are going to do another important thing, and then we are going to do the most interesting thing in our class till now. Dot title yes, I'm just typing a little fast now. Font size and keep it as 20 px. Yes, make sure you make the font size is 20 px. Now go down in subtitle. Make sure you keep a dot behind username and make sure the spelling is correct. Okay, the spelling was not correct over here. It's title. Okay. Now font size, it should be 19. Font size 19 px. Px means pixel. Okay. Color, we'll keep it as blue. Color violet. Okay. Subtitle, let it be black. Okay. Now let's reload it. Techteachtyd and down is hello. Okay. Now I will just make sure what is the problem. Yeah, it's big enough. Okay. Okay. And now this is the most important part. Make sure you keep a ear. Go to SVG icons and I'm going to share this link. Share this CSS down in the comment. Copy it. Yes. And paste it. Okay. Paste it below username. Paste. Save it. And the people who are new in this Techteachtyd story time, make sure you see the full website, how we have done it. We have done many fun things. We have also learned how to make a button. Yes, and many other fun things. Let's save it and let's see the funny thing which happens now. Okay, now we are going to reduce the size. It's .svg icon. .svg icon. Yes, so it should be .form svg. Form svg. Give a bracket, enter. Scroll down. Height, and it should be 18 px. Bottom margin. and it should be minus 5px. Border left, it should be 10px. Border right, it should be 10px. Yes, border top should be 5px. Save and reload our website. And you can see it's clear. Now make sure you do it same for the password. Go to SVG icons. Yes, password. Select the icon you like. Copy. Paste your icon on the password type. Input password. Input text. Okay. Paste. Give a enter on both the sides. Make sure you give this enter because that's very important once it comes to viewing the file. Okay. Save it. Once you have saved it, you can reload your Techteachtyd, and you can see once you type here, your code is ready. Now let's add more functions or more CSS from our login form. Okay. So let's only change the title, okay, and make a button for login. So let the title font family be anything you like. Save. Now let's make a button. Okay, after the dividers, okay, after the final divider, which is form, make a button, which is submit. Okay, button, type, if it's input, it's better, input. Give a placeholder to it, or as I told you, you can name it. Or let's keep it as login. Come to the CSS. Yes, make a button file. Button, make sure you don't press the dot like we have done it all the time for this button, and give it a border radius as 1 centimeter, border color as a tomato, and background color should be yellow. Save, reload. Now let's take it as a center align, okay, and change its type. background, height, and it should be 0.7 centimeters. Width, it should be 1, or let's keep it as 0.2 centimeters. This is just to experiment the centimeters. Actually, we never keep it as these. Yes. Let's keep a margin. Margin left meter should be 2 centimeters. Let's save it. I told you, I'm very good at experiments. Okay, keep both as 1 and save it. Yes, a proper circle you can see. You can align it down. Let's do that. Margin top, let's keep it as 0 centimeter. See what happens. Margin bottom. This is again an experiment. Margin bottom should be only 1 centimeter or 2. Let's take 2. Let's see what happens. And that's what I'm telling you. Make sure you also do experiments like these. Now left should be a little 3 centimeter. Yes, and it's exactly down. Let's reduce the top. 2, 3.5. Save. Yes. So now let's see how it looks. You can do more beautification. Like its height should be 21. You can keep the padding more, or you can make it less. Okay, padding I'm going to make it as 50. That's enough. Still it looks very good. Let's add the title margin in the middle. Margin left. Keep it as 200 px. I know it will not be in the middle, but you can try. Or let's keep it as 130. And it will be quite in the middle, as per mine. Yes, Techteachtyd. You can make the bottom